from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and can you believe it's Christmas in July? Our hosts are Rustic and Lace DIY, Gigi from At Home with Gigi, and Fidget DIY is our guest host. Please check out their channels and the amazing playlist. Today I'm creating a couple very simple felt ornaments. Okay, here's our felt, here's our pieces. We are going to we're going to just trace these pieces of holly, or you can draw your own. You can even put a pin in this to make it so it doesn't move as much. You want a third, you could come over here. I may do a third. Then all you do is cut them out. Okay, to start off with, I glued my ribbon in a loop like this, and then left an extension. Now I glued my leaves. I just glued them together. I did a video of making this, and the clips deleted. Then I'll just glue this here, and I'll glue our 3 berries right there. And that's how we make it. Sorry, the clip of me doing it deleted. Okay, we are going to make a loop to hang our ornament. Just any color ribbon you want. I chose black because I do a pink and black tree, and it seems like most of my trees has some black on them. So I'm going to add our mistletoe to it. Then I'm going to add, I think I'm going to add a pink bow. I could add a red. I got both, but I think I'm going to do pink. And then we're going to add our mistletoe berries. Okay, here is our holly ornament. And of course you could do that ribbon in any color to match your decor. And here is our mistletoe ornament. Same way with this, you could do the ribbon any color that matches your decor.